Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Indian Oil Corporation Limited share. We will be discussing about the fundamentals of this company first, and then we will be going to discuss about the price and how we can get a good profit from which level we need to buy and how long we need to hold this share. If you are seeing about the fundamentals of this company, from the COVID-19 issue started from the lockdown, then after that the oil prices are falling, and then there was major economic issues also. So fundamentally, if you are speaking, currently the fundamentals of this company is not correct. uh, Fundamentally weak company only right now, and the last quarter also it has posted a loss also. But going forward, when the economy is revives, because economy cannot sustain in this bad shape for long time, there will be definitely there will be a stimulus, or government will be trying to boost the economy, and it will be coming back to its earlier level. But how long it will take for that will be a question. But for a we'll be discussing for long term investors in this video. For a long term investors, the correct opportunities are to enter in any company is coming during this kind of crisis only. So if you can see the chart right now in front of us, for 5 years, if you see the chart, current price is going on at uh, 88.85, which is lower than the 2016 level. 2016, that time the price was near to 92.71, but currently it is 88.85, and during March fall the price got touched at 71.15. You can see in this ticker tab they have not given the intrinsic value of this company, but by checking the chart itself you can understand that current price is very low level. For if you check the historic value of this company, current price is trading at a very low level. So we can assume the price intrinsic value as near to 100 rupees. If you can accumulate this share at this level for long term, when the market come back to its earlier levels, then long term you can see good return for you in this from this share. For last from after March fall, the market recovered almost 30 percentage, but this share still trading at that level only during the fall of March level. So there will be some news coming in coming days. After that you cannot enter at this price. It will be going, if the price start go up, then you cannot enter at this price. So for my advice is that those investors who accumulated this share at 71 and 75, 80, 85 levels, those investors can wait for another fall to accumulate more. And those investors who have not yet invested in this company and planning to invest, they can accumulate a small portion of their investable amount in this company, and later when the fall is coming, then you can invest more. And because you cannot predict how long it will take to go up, and how long, if there may be a chance that again market will correct to that March level. At that point this stock price also will go down, but not much, because already it has touched at 71.15 and not gone up. So the fall also will be minimal only. So I would recommend you can do your own analysis, and then start accumulating in this share, because below 100 this share will be trading at very cheap level, and then below you will not get such opportunities to enter in this company at this level. So it's definitely, it is a good opportunity, and it's a large cap company and a low risk company. Share is this one. And if you see fundamentals of this company is a very large retail oil distribution company, oil distribution and marketing company. In India, it's the one of the biggest company, and definitely Indian government also want to back up this company, because this is 51.5% of the share of this company is in government's hands only. and the government want to if the government want to boost the economy, definitely this company will play a crucial role, because this is one of the largest distributor of retail distributor of oil, petrol and diesel Indian market. So when the economy go up, this company will profitability of this company also will go up. One more thing is that this company recently started to support the petroleum products to other countries also, like Nepal. They have already presence in Nepal. Recently they have won the order for supplying petroleum products to Bangladesh, and Mauritius also they are starting to export petroleum products, and they have a good amount of presence in these refineries also. And the future also, when the Indian government is planning to boost electric vehicles, in that also they have Indian Oil Corporation have planned to participate in that new project also, and they are planning to increase their presence in this energy, they can they are providing infrastructure support to charge the batteries of the vehicles, so that like our current petrol pumps, they will be providing charging stations. So future they are planning, these companies are planning for providing energy companies, like right now they are providing petroleum products, that like that they will be providing energy. So this company will be moving towards that as an energy company. So it's not after the introduction of the vehicles or electric vehicles in Indian market, these companies will lose its presence or market share. Not like that. They are also planning for futures, and they are preparing for future. So definitely you will be getting good opportunity at this price. For every return, every market participation, the entry price is very important. And when everything is fine, everything is okay, you will not get company shares at low level. So there may be some issues, there are issues, fundamentally also issues, economy is weak, but the price is also corrected. So you need to keep in mind, and you can invest only minimal amount, not maximum all the amount, all the lump sum amount you need to invest, not like that. If you are planning for 10,000 rupees to invest in this company, right now you can invest 2,000 or 4,000, and then wait for some time. If the economy is getting corrected, and the economy is boosting, and the company's shares are going up, then you can invest a small part. Otherwise, if the share is coming back to its low level of 75, 70, 80 level, then you can invest an additional 2,000, like that. I'm talking about an example of 10,000. You can decide your own how much risk appetite you have, because every investor is different, and you need to invest only that much amount which you are comfortable. If there is any loss, even if the share price is going to zero, you should be able to comfortably able to sustain with that loss. It's not like that you need that money and then you get loss, then you cannot suffer, you have to suffer that. Not like that. Only those amount which you are comfortable to lose, that amount only you need to invest. In this video I have will be checking the parameters. So intrinsic value they have not given. We can assume that the intrinsic value is near to 100. Below 100 you can accumulate this, not above 100. If the price is going above 100, there are many shares which are trading at very low level. Like I have already given video about GAIL, which when it was trading below 100, I have recommended that share. Now right now it's crossed 100. You can wait for further correction to accumulate that. There is also Hindustan Zinc also. Right now it's a bit trading at above 230 level. If it is correcting below 180, you can accumulate that. You can see my video of that. Indian Oil Corporation is a good dividend yielding company, and the current dividend yield at this price is 4.78%. And that too large quarter, it was there was an issue with its earning. Still it has given good dividend. So government of India also want a good dividend, and when the economy is going up, then there is a good earnings happening, then this company will be giving you good dividend. So at accumulating at this level, then it will give you good return over your investment. And we'll check the see the financial trend. If you can see 2020, it has posted a minus 0.01 percentage of the profit. Means it's there was a small loss happened in this company. And the holding wise, if you can see the promoter holding is 51.5, which is the promoter is Government of India. So you can assure that the company is in government's owned company, and then there will not be such issues like what you can see the delisting like happened in Vedanta, like that. There will not be on any scam happening. No such issues will happening in this company. And mutual funds are having 6.51 percentage of holding, and domestic institution holding also 13.85, and foreign FIIs also having investment of 6.33 percentage. And we'll see how their fund investments are gone up or down from compared to March. At June level, mutual funds are increased their investment this company, means which is a good sign that they are having believe in this company, and there is no issue, fundamental issue in this company. DI also increased their stake. FIIs have decreased their stake, and other parties retail investors have also increased their stakes. So, and in small cases also it's part of different small cases. So people are investing in this company and have a very good belief in this company. There is no issue in fundamental level of this company, but due to the overall performance and the low issues of the economy due to corona, this share is trading at a very low level. So definitely you can try, you need to do your own analysis. I would recommend, do not go by my words. You can do your own analysis and do investment after you, if you are comfortable to invest in this company. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, because we have came up with lots of videos regarding mutual fund, also analysis of some strong shares also. You can watch those videos, and if you are comfortable and you want more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.